Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to get the Baseball 9 hacks. So this mod features unlimited money, unlimited coins, and infinite energy. So this mod works for any Android or iOS device that you can think of. And here it is, guys. So I have a fresh Baseball 9 application with no mods, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this yourself. So go to settings and open up general, then we're going to background app refresh. And so this option is very important to make sure this is off. This needs to be off for the mod to work correctly. And then after this is done, we need to go to Safari or any browser that you would like and search for this website right here. So this has some premium mods that are working for iOS and Android. And once you're on the website, search for Baseball 9 mod. So this one has the unlimited money, energy, and coins, and is working for both iOS and Android devices. So once you tap to download, you're gonna be having to wait for a few minutes or maybe just 1 minute. It's not too long, hopefully. And once you're here, you're going to be presented with the device verification. So how to verify your device? You need to select the offer that you would like to complete. You need to complete 2 offers, and sometimes it works with 1 offer, but I not always get so lucky. So I go with the flip one, and I'll be completing the offers in just a second, guys. You can watch how I do this, or you can fast forward the video and see the end result. Okay, so guys, after completing the offers, you need to refresh this unlock page, and this will start the download process. Once you have refreshed the page, the app should appear on your phone, and I'm gonna check if it's here for me. And yep, there it is, guys, the Baseball 9 mod that is working on my iOS. So guys, please like this video and share with your friends who also need the Baseball 9 hack, and good luck to all of you.